So I'm making a dilutions video with my liquor. I was drinking a Mike's and it was pretty weak, so I wanted to see if I can transform this into the desired proof that I want. As you can see, this is 5% alcohol, and I said to myself I wanted about, what did I say, about 2.5 times stronger. Okay. Not necessarily just the mics, but my overall preparation with alcohol. Now I have this alcohol, which is 40% proof. And I have orange juice, of course, which contains no alcohol, so it's 0. So this is a dilution video. How to get desired proof of liquor. Okay, so as you can see, I had a mics. It was pretty weak. It was 5% alcohol. Right there. I said I wanted about 2.5 times stronger here. And once you do, when I do percentages, I always try to do it out of 100. So anything, I always try to do it out of 100. So I multiplied the 100 times 2.5 because I want 2.5 times stronger than, the mics. They give me 250. So I put my 250 at the bottom because I want 2.5 times stronger. Now this, out of all the steps, might be the most difficult to understand, but it's kind of also hard for me to explain, of course, because I'm tipsy too. So anyway, yeah, so after you do this math, you get X% of your final liquor. So what you do is multiply these two numbers. 5 times 250, and then you divide by 100. So then you get your final desired concentration of liquor or whatever. And it gave me 12.5% proof or alcohol, whatever. So now that I know what desired, proof I want alcohol, I do this formula. Now, I was doing it wrong for a while, and I'm tipsy, whatever. So I had my C1 at the top and my C2 at the bottom, which is the wrong formula, and it was giving me something impossible. So of course I had to pay attention to what steps I took wrong, and I fixed it. So the formula is Q1 over Q2 equal C2 over C1, whereas Q1 is my initial quantity of liquor, which in this case is X mLs, and I like dealing with mLs. And my Q2 is my overall desired quantity or volume. Wow, dealing with mLs. Now, note, you have to deal with the same units here as you deal with here. So if it's ounces here, it has to be ounces here. But I like dealing with mLs, so I'm dealing with mLs. So, and Q1 is my initial proof of liquor, which is here. So I'm dealing with 40% proof, as you can see. I want to know how much orange juice am I to add to this 40% to get my 12.5%, which is what I want. So, let it focus, okay. Now, so I'm going to multiply, get your calculators out. Make sure you have that out. I'm going to multiply my 480 times my 12.5. And then I'm going to divide by my 40, which gave me 150 mLs here. That's how many mLs of liquor I'm supposed to add now. And overall, I said that I didn't want more than 2 cups of overall liquid in me because I'm already peeing like, you feel me, crazy. So this here is called the factor label method. I like dealing with all this. I like dealing with proportions and factor label method because to me it's pretty easy, it's quick, it's simple. So I said I didn't want to contain more than 2 cups of liquid. Now when you're dealing with factor label method, you pretty much want to deal with one of the other in its simplest form, which is 1. If you do like 1.2 cups equal blank ounces or whatever, it becomes a lot more complex to solve. So just deal with 1. I'm telling you, just deal with 1. Okay? So 2 cups, whatever unit is here, which is cups. You want to make sure the unit's here. Cup, okay? 2 cups, whatever. 1 cup equals 8 ounces. Now this is, I forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna give you an example. It's basically like $1 equals 100 pennies, or $1 equals 4 quarters. You know, everybody know about money. So yeah, that's pretty much what you want to deal with. Either a 1 goes here or a 1 goes there. I mean, but you want to deal with a 1. You want to have one of these in its simplest form, because if it's not, it's going to be more complex to solve. Now, so 2 cups, where 1 cup equal 8 ounces. This unit here is ounce. Ounce goes on the bottom. Now 1 ounce equals 30 mLs. Okay. So when your 1 is at the bottom, you're going to multiply straight across. That's 2 times 8 times 30 equal 480 mLs. Now, that's what we're dealing with now. But if your 1 was on the top and your 8 was on the bottom, you have to do 2 over 8. And 2 over 8 is what? 0.25. But we're not dealing with that right now. So we just multiplying straight across, which gave me 480 mLs of my total preparation that I want. Because, you know, I don't want to consume all this liquid. I'm already peeing. Okay? So that's why I put 480 mLs here. Because I don't want to consume more than 2 cups of liquor. Now, okay. We just going to multiply the 480 times the 12.5. And then divide by 40. Which gave me 150. Yeah, got a burp. Anyway. So, hope y'all can see this. So, to get this proof of liquor, I need to add 150 mLs of liquor of this proof, because that's what I started with. Then I start with the 40. Okay. So I'm adding 150 mLs of that 40% liquor. And if I want my overall preparation to be 480 mLs, 2 cups, then I need to subtract 150 from 480, which give me 330 mLs of orange juice that I'm to add. Okay? So now that we know how much liquor to add and how much orange juice to add to get our desired proof or alcohol value, I have this one measuring tool. 1 tablespoon. I don't have measuring tools at the house that deals with mLs. I don't think nobody really does. So now what we have to do is also do the factor label method to figure out how many tablespoons I'm to add of liquor, because I can't do mLs. I don't have an ml measuring device, okay? So it told me, you know, add 150 mLs of liquor and 330 mLs of orange juice. Start with 150 here. This is your starting point. 150 mLs of liquor. I'm just going to make sure y'all know that. 150 mLs of liquor, whatever unit's here, it has to be down here. Now, remember I told you, you want to deal with the 1 in either or, you know, because if it's not a 1 in either or, in either one of these, it's going to be difficult to solve. So when your 1 is at the top, you're going to divide. So we're going to do 150 mLs divided by 15 mLs. And it's going to give me 2 tablespoons of liquor. So I'm to fill this up 10 times, add it to my cup 10 times, and that will give me my 150 mLs. It was something I want to say to y'all. Basically, okay, now you learning something, because now you know 15 mLs equal 1 tablespoon, and 1 cup equal 8 ounces, and 1 ounce equal 30 mLs. Keep that in mind. Those are things I can't teach you. Those are things you've got to know. So, yeah, 10 tablespoons of liquor. And I have my 330 mLs. Remember I said you're going to have to add 330 mLs of orange juice to this 150 liquor to get this 12.5%. So this is our starting point. 330 mLs of orange juice is to be added to this. So 330 mLs, 15 mLs equal 1 tablespoon. When your 1 is on the top, you're going to divide. When your 1 is on the bottom, you're going to multiply, remember? Okay? 330 mLs divided by 15 mLs gave me 22 tablespoons of orange juice. So now I'm going to take my orange juice 22 times. And I mean, it might seem like a lot, but look at how little this is. If I had a bigger device, a bigger measuring device, of course, I wouldn't be doing it so many times. But this is just to give you an idea. So that's basically, and I figured you can also do this with calories. Like, I didn't attempt it yet, but if you have a drink and it's like pop or whatever, some juice, and it's too many calories, and you want to dilute it with water to get it to a certain type of calorie amount that you want to consume, then you could just go ahead and do that. But I never attempted. Maybe in the future I will. So there you go. Have a good day, y'all.